Hi friends! Welcome back to the Mimo and Friends channel. Today, we're going to learn about jobs. Do you know what a doctor does? Or what a firefighter uses? We'll learn job names, tools they use, and action words. Are you ready? Let's go! Learn jobs. This is a doctor. Doctors help us when we are sick. Can you say doctor? Doctor. Doctor. Yes, that is right. Doctor. Up next this is a firefighter. Firefighters put out fires and save people. Say firefighter. I think we should try to say it together. Fire. Fighter. Firefighter. Clap hands for yourself. Well done. This is a teacher. Teachers help us learn new things. Say teacher. T. Share. Teacher. Teacher. You are so clever. This is a chef. Chefs cook delicious food for us. Say chef. 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 Well done, kids. Next segment, we are going to learn tools used for jobs. Tools used for jobs. Every job has special tools. Let's learn them. A doctor uses a stethoscope to check our heartbeat. Say stethoscope. Do you want to try it again? Stetho. Scope. Stethoscope. It is not an easy word to say right, but that is part of learning. Let us say it together again. Stethoscope. Excellent. A firefighter uses a hose to put out fires. Say hose. Hose. Next, we are going to learn what a teacher does. A teacher uses a chalkboard and books to teach us. Say chalkboard and books. Lastly, we have a chef. A chef uses a frying pan and wears a chef hat. Say frying pan and chef hat. Well done. That is how you identify jobs and the tools they use. Action verbs, what they do. Now let's learn what these jobs do. A doctor helps sick people and checks our health. Say helps and checks. A firefighter rescues people and puts out fires. Say rescues and puts out. A teacher teaches and writes on the board. Say teaches and writes. A chef cooks and bakes yummy food. Say cooks and bakes. Well done. Fun game, guess the job. Let's play a game. I will give you clues, and you guess the job. I wear a white coat and help sick people. Who am I? Yes, a doctor. I wear a big red helmet and put out fires. Who am I? Yes, a firefighter. I work in a kitchen and make yummy food. Who am I? Yes, a chef. I stand in front of a class and help kids learn. Who am I? Yes, a teacher. Wow, you are so smart. Today, we learned about different jobs, their tools, and what they do. What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a teacher? A doctor? A firefighter? There are so many jobs you can do. Let me know in the comment section. Great! Keep learning and dreaming big. See you next time on the Mimo and Friends channel. Goodbye.
Goodbye.